guys, in this video I wanted to test the difference between deep fried and air fried chicken wings. So here we go. I will be using the same ingredients for both. I'll add garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, chicken flavor bouillon, suya pepper, which can be found in any African store, black pepper, cayenne pepper. Then I'll also add another brand of chicken bouillon to replace adding salt. I'm just throwing in a bunch of my go-to ingredients, so feel free to add yours or make it your own. Mix it up and divide it into 2 bowls. For my air fried chicken, I'll add about a tablespoon of canola oil. Cover each bowl with a plastic wrap and let it marinate for at least an hour. For my deep fried chicken, heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then fry your wings till it's cooked through. Take it out and place in a paper towel lined plate. For the air fried wings, make sure not to overcrowd your air fryer because it will take longer to cook. Set your fryer to the air fry mode and start. Halfway through, pause and flip your wings. If you need more time, definitely add more time. If you love this video, kindly hit that like button. It is greatly appreciated. Share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So this is my deep fried chicken. I have my air fried chicken. Now for the taste test, I'm gonna start with my deep fried chicken. Okay, it tastes good. It doesn't seem to have that crunch. Let me try the air fried chicken. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but it's there. So I can't really choose. All of them, both of them taste the same. They have crunch to it. So you try it and you let me know which one you prefer. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.